main reason why we put this together is because for you to help you to get back on your feet. Because if you already paid your debt, you should keep paying over and over again, not being able to get employment, not being able to do things in your life because of a mistake you made some years ago.
Hey, Dorian, so what brought you here to the expungement fair?
Hi. Well, I'd like to try and look for opportunities and better my life. In the past, I've tried to apply for places and get denied here and there for my background and my history. It's probably not directly stated, but I get the feeling sometimes I can get turned away. Whether being open and honest about my background. I would like to work for maybe a Department of Water and Power and try to get into like a trade job there. Whatever opportunities are available, electrical or plumbing or something like that. If not, LA County, they got great benefits I hear. I would like to look for good benefits for my family and just try to get a better job out there, a career type of opportunity.
Yeah, how many kids do you have?
2 kids.
Oh, what were the ages?
2, and we got 1 on the way actually.
Oh, wow. Congratulations, man.